This video is to help you and guide you on the assembling of the vacuum cleaner. Bissell Power Force Helix, and it comes in this box. It's not very heavy, very lightweight, and it comes with different pieces to it. The vacuum base, the upper handle, the screws, two screws, a hose, lower cord, dusting brush, and crevice tool, extension wand, and the user guide. And then you have the parts here. As you pull your vacuum cleaner out, the handle is off of it. So when you get it out, the handle comes out by itself. It's separate. And what you do is very easy. You take the handle and you push it into this area here. You push it down, and it comes with the two screws. And you screw it in there, and that's it for the handle. Then the vacuum hose is separate. It's kind of stiff, very stiff. It's not soft to fold or bend, but it just place it in here. You can attach your hose to it. It comes off, and then the hose goes around into this arm here, which is already there, and it comes down, and you can push it in the vacuum section. This part here where the cord is comes also attached. It's also clipped on there. It clips on. Then you have your paddle, which will engage, and you can move it. Okay, and it comes with a brush that you just insert in here, there, plus it comes with this extension, and the other piece is inside. There's two pieces, and you put it back in there. And you just put it back and clip it on. There you go. Clip it on, and your power is this red button down here. Turn it on and off, and we've used it, and it's really nice for the price, you know. And the container, you have the little button here. You push it down, you pull out, and you can take it out, and then you can open it from here. You push that button in, and it opens out to the bottom. Okay, and it shows you some instructions there, and it collects your dirt in there. You can see the collection. So as you can see, we have already used it, and it works very good for our purpose. And then it has the heights for the carpet or bare floor, and you can see the brush in there. So we've been very happy with it. And then you just clip it back on. And the extension is not very long. It's about 20 feet. It can wrap around. It wraps around to the bottom and up, and it's very light. You can see a good picture of it there. Very light, Just press a little blue tap there, and you can just go ahead and vacuum with it. And again, we've been very happy with it. I can't complain for the price. And there it is, very easy to assemble. And here's the picture of it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this helped you some, and good luck.